Hi guys, how are you all now? Good afternoon. As we are discussing various verses of the Bhagavad Gita, let us go further. Kindly listen to my analysis of some of the verses. Kindly put in your own opinions and comments into that. Kindly join your opinions and comments with my analysis and let us come up with a final product that is beneficial to us all. Here, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna that the soul and the super soul within us never dies. It always lives, and the one thing that dies is the mind and body complex, which the soul changes birth after birth. Here the Lord tells Arjuna that he and Super Soul Lord Krishna have had numerous births before and that they shall have numerous births after too. Yet, whereas Lord Krishna, the Super Soul, knows about all the births, Arjuna, the soul, the Nara, does not remember all the births and may not be able to visualize the future births. Here the Lord says, Yada yada hi dharmasya ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Here he says that whenever there is a loss of dharma or holiness or righteousness in the human beings in the society, and there is a rise of evil inside the society, then the Lord comes here, manifests himself here personally. Then he proceeds, Sujamihum Paritranaya Sadhunam Vinashaya Chadushkritam Dharma Sansthapanarthaya Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. Here he mentions that to save the good and to punish the evil and for establishment of dharma in the society, he is born again and again and again. Here, dharma does not mean just worshipping evil, but dharma means righteousness, holiness, where every living entity in the society obeys, respects, worships God and his or her own position in the society and takes on the responsibility to save the society. The society, according to Lord Krishna, has been divided into four by Lord because of three modes of material nature which are actually responsible for all the material activities that go on perpetually inside the society. They are goodness, passion, and ignorance. Here he hastens to add that all three qualities are present in every living entity within us, in the society. It is present in every one of us. However, because of various factors like our individual karma, our individual destiny, and our individual luck, etc., we choose one particular mode to be predominant in our nature. Because we don't know which one we have chosen, we are not aware that it exists in us. It is only for the others in the society to find out which mode of material nature is present within us. Thus, the society has been divided into four. They are the Brahmana, who is in the goodness mode, the Kshatriya, who is in the passion mode, the Vaishya, who has the passion as the predominant mode, and ignorance as the subordinate mode, and the Shudra, who has ignorance as the predominant mode and the passion as the subordinate mode. Hence, because in each one of us one particular mode is predominant, hence it is very difficult or unadvisable for us to take up the work of any other mode or any other section of the society. Like a Brahmana cannot behave like a Vaishya, a Kshatriya cannot behave like a Brahmana, a Shudra cannot behave like a Kshatriya, Brahmana or Vaishya, or a Vaishya cannot behave like a Brahmana, Kshatriya or Shudra, and so on. Here the Lord hastens to add that it is very, very dangerous for a human being to be in a particular mode of material nature and to do the job of any other mode, because it is always fraught with danger. One should only do that work which is prescribed to him or her in whatever way he or she can, and at various degrees of success. Hence, one cannot do what the other can do. The best example here is Dronacharya. Dronacharya was a Brahmana with the goodness mode as predominant nature in his body. However, because of the money, etc., and the greed of the material nature, he chose to become a Kshatriya, and he created havoc in the society because of that. Similarly, Acharya Krip and Ashwatthama also made the same mistake, and that is the result why the Mahabharata Kurukshetra war ended into how it ended in the end. Here Lord Krishna says, though these four castes of the society don't bind him, yet he tries to respect them when he is born here. Like Lord Krishna was born a Kshatriya, but he was brought up as a Vaishya, yet he remained a Kshatriya in the end. Similarly, Balarama also. One should remember that he is from a particular mode and he should not change from that mode because that is always dangerous for the society. Thank you.